Chicken dum biryani. Feeling hungry already? So come on, let's make it quickly. First, in boiling water, we'll add a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom pods, and 4 to 5 pieces of cloves, that is long. And then we'll add around half kg rice, which is soaked for 15 minutes. And then we let it cook. We will cook the rice till it's 80% done, because when we give the dum to the biryani, we do not want it to overcook. The rice is cooked but not completely cooked. Now empty the rice in a large plate because we want it to cool down. And now we will make the masala for our biryani. I'm using around 500 grams of chicken, which is 2 breast piece, which is cut into small pieces. Then I'm adding around 5 to 6 onions. Then around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then we'll be adding beaten curd, which is around 1 cup. Now I am adding 2 to 3 green chilies, which are split in between, and 2 tablespoons of fried onion. For the masalas, firstly we will be adding coriander powder, which is dhania powder, then lal degi mirch, and lastly salt, and then we will mix it properly. You can also use chicken biryani masala. मसाले को भूनने से पहले आई एम एडिंग अराउंड 2 to 3 tablespoons of kesar water. This gives very nice color to the whole masala and adds in a little flavor. Add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee and let the masala cook properly. Now time to layer our biryani. Our first layer will be of rice. In our second layer, first I like to place the chicken pieces properly, and then I will add the masala on top. Now we'll put another layer of rice on the chicken. Now I'm making a jhol, which is a liquid that goes on top of the rice. For that I'll be adding 1/4 cup water, half a cup of milk, our leftover fried onions, and kesar water, which will give a very beautiful color when it goes on top of the rice. And of course, dhania, which is like the most important ingredient in Indian food. Add the jhol on top of the rice properly and spread it evenly. This will give a beautiful color to the biryani when it's cooked. अब बस देना है बिरयानी को दम and then it's ready. Do enjoy this recipe. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you.